Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a silver exterior, and we have a black interior. Do have heated seats for driver and passenger. Door controls here, driver's seat controls, driver's seat, steering wheel. Take a look at rear seats here next. And quick peek up at the front. And let's go ahead and come around to the rear of the vehicle. We've got our GLB 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. And let's go ahead and hop in the driver's side. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 4,710. We have a push button ignition. Immediately you can see the ambient LED lighting through the vehicle. Definitely really sharp. You saw the navigation there, and it's a touchscreen display, or you can also control it using the command module right down here. So I'm using here, and so we can change some of the different lighting settings. So we're currently doing a multicolor. You can set it based on climate and other effects. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so we'll get out of that. There's our radio and backup camera. Climate control down here below the display. Got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, cup holders, that command module I mentioned, also buttons to switch between the different options on your display, and finally our Mercedes-Benz shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.